Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Our today's topic is time. In the last video we have done o'clock. In this clock there are two hands. Our hand is exactly on 3, very good. Minute hand is exactly on 12, so time is 3 o'clock. In this clock, if you will see, minute hand is exactly on 6 and our hand is between or in the middle of 8 and 9, so time is 8:30. In this clock, if you will look carefully, minute hand is exactly on 9 and our hand is just before 1. So time is 1:15 because we are approaching to 1 or 15 minutes are left. So we can say 12:45 or 15 minutes to 1, it means 1:45. In this clock, minute hand is exactly on 3. Our hand is very good, just after 2. So time is 2:15 or 15 minutes past 2. Now, book page number 165. Hours in a day, use of AM and PM. Let's recall. Page number 165. Time, hours in a day, use of AM and PM. Let's recall. In one day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Very good. One day is equal to 24 hours. 12 midnight to 12 noon, there are 12 hours AM, and 12 noon till 12 midnight, 12 hours PM. As you know, AM stands for anti-meridian and PM stands for post-meridian. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called AM. The time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is called PM. 12 noon we write as 12 AM, small a dot small m. 12 midnight we write 12 PM, small p dot small m. Now open your page, book page number 167. Thinking in fives. As you know, there are 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. There are 12 intervals on the clock. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And there are 5 minutes in each interval. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Let's practice how many minutes in each of these slices. There are 4 clocks which are shown and sum of part is just like fraction, there is shaded. So you have to tell how many minutes in the shaded part, minutes in shaded part and minutes in unshaded part. Look at this clock in part number A. Some part is shaded and some of the part is not shaded. So we will tell number of minutes in the shaded part and number of minutes in the unshaded part. Number of minutes in the A part, shaded parts are, minute hand is exactly on 3. So time is 3 5s are 15. Number of minutes in the shaded parts are 15. And how many minutes are in unshaded part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 parts, 9 intervals are unshaded. So 9 5s are 45 minutes are unshaded. Now look at the part number B. Look at this clock. Only one interval is shaded and rest of the parts are not shaded. So number of minutes in the shaded part. One interval means 1 5s are 5. 5 minutes are in the shaded part. And how many minutes are in the unshaded part? 11 intervals are left which are not shaded. So 11 5s are 55. 55 minutes are in the unshaded part. Now in the C part, number of minutes in the shaded part, count the intervals 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 minutes are in the shaded part. And how many minutes are in the unshaded parts? Very good. 40 minutes are in the unshaded part. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are unshaded. 8 intervals are unshaded. So 8 5s are 40 minutes. 40 minutes are in the unshaded part. Now part number D. It's clear. Half of the part is shaded and half is not shaded. So it means 30 minutes are in the shaded parts and 30 minutes in the unshaded part. Page number 168, there are two clocks. Right hand side of the clock, minute hand is exactly on 9. Left hand side of the clock, minute hand is exactly on 3. So time on the right hand side is quarter to 11 or 10:45, and time interval is 1 after 9. Count 1 10 11 12. There are 3 intervals, so 3 5s are 15. 15 minutes are left to 11 or quarter to 11. We are approaching to 11, or in other words 10:45. It means 45 minutes of 10 have passed. Now look at the clock on the left hand side. Minute hand is exactly on 3. Very good. And our hand is just after 11. So time is quarter past 11. If you will count the intervals 1 2 3, so 15 minutes have passed. We can say 11:15 or quarter past 11. Now on page number 169 there are example. What time does the clock show? Write in words and numbers. If you will, in the A part, if you will look carefully in this clock, there are two hands. One is black and second one is red. Red hands denotes minute hand, and black hand is small hand that shows hour hand. So minute hand is on 1. It means 5 minutes. As you know, right hand side, it means we will use the word past. So 5 minutes past 7. This is in word, and in number we will write 7:05. Now look at this clock in B part. Hour hand is just after 9. Very good. And minute hand is exactly on 3. That is shown in red. So we can say quarter past 9. Very good. Or 9:15, because at 3 it means, if you will count 1 2 3, there are 3 intervals after 12, so it means 15 minutes have passed, and our hand is just after 9, so time is quarter past 9 or 9:15. In the C part, our hand is near to 3, approaching to 3, and minute hand, which is in red, exactly on 10. So 10 minutes to 3. 10 minutes to 3 or 2:50. If you count after 10, 11 and 12, so how many minutes are left to 3? 10 minutes are left. There are two intervals after 10, 11, 12. 10 minutes to 3, or in the, if you will count from 12, there are how many intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2:50. 10 minutes to 3 or 2:50. In the D part, minute hand is exactly on 9 and our hand is just before 7. So time is very good, quarter to 7. Quarter to 7 means if you count after 9, minute hand 10, 11, 12, 15 minutes are left to 15 minutes are left. It means quarter to 7. Or if you will count from 12, so how many intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fives are 45. So time have passed 6:45 and we are near to 7. Near to 7 means 15 minutes are left. So quarter to 7. Conversion of units of time. As you know, there are 24 hours in one day. It's very easy to find time in 2 days, 4 days, 10 days and 12 days. In one day there are 24 hours. In 2 days, how many hours? Hours will be more. So you have to multiply 2 multiply by 24. Very good. First we will multiply by unit, then we will multiply by tens. 2 4 times 8 and then 2 times 4, 48 hours. In the B part, 4 days, 4 multiply by 24. Again we will use the same method. First we will multiply 4 by 4 unit, digit at the unit place and then digit at the tens place. 4 4 times 16, carry 1. 4 2 times 8 plus 1, 96 hours. In the C part, 10 days. In 10 days, how many hours? So 24 multiplied by 10 or 10 multiplied by 24, you will just put 10 after the number on right hand side. So 240 hours. D part, 12 days is equal to, you will multiply 12 by 24 is equal to 288 hours. Now page number 170, conversion of hours and minutes. As you know, in 1 hour, how many minutes? Very good, 60 minutes. So when you will multiply 1 hour to 60, you will convert hours into minutes. There are some examples. In A part, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In the B part, 1 hour and 10 minutes. Here, first what will we do? We will convert 1 hour into minutes. 1 hour 10 minutes means 1 hour plus 10 minutes. 1 hour means 1 multiplied by 60. We have converted this 1 hour into minutes. 1 multiplied by 60 plus 10 minutes. So 1 multiplied by 60 means 60 minutes plus 10 minutes is equal to, very good, 70 minutes. In the C part, if you will look, there are 2 hours and 15 minutes. It's very easy to convert hours into minutes by multiply 2 by 60. It converted hours into minutes plus 15 minutes. So 6 2 times 12, put 10 after the number on right hand side. So 60 multiplied by 2 is equal to 120 minutes plus 15 minutes is equal to 135 minutes. By using the same method, you will do D part yourself. 4 hours 45 minutes, 4 multiplied by 60. We have converted hours into minutes plus 45 minutes and then you will get the answer. We are using the short form MIN. Minutes is for MIN and R is HR. Now, dear students, you will do exercise 6A. Question number 1, fill in the blanks A till E. I will just do A part of it. A day has how many hours? Very good, 24 hours. In question number 2, you have to state whether the following are true or false. A day is from 12 midnight to 12 midnight. Is it correct? No, it's false. So correct is, so a day is from 12 midnight to 12 noon. Here is it is written 12 midnight to 12 midnight. That is false. In the same way, you will do all the parts. On page number 171, question number 3, select the correct answer from the given options. There are 4 options for each one, and you have to select the correct one answer. You will circle it. You will write all the answer on the book. In question number 3, A part, 1 hour 20 minutes is same as. There are 4 options: 80 minutes, 120 minutes, 90 minutes, and 45 minutes. In 1 hour, how many minutes? Very good, 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 20 minutes is equal to 80 minutes. So option 1 is correct. You will tick or on it. In the same way, you will do B, C, D, and E part yourself. Question number 4, use of AM or PM to write the time given below. 8 o'clock in the morning means 8 AM. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it means 3 PM. Very good. You will do rest of the parts yourself on the book. Question number 5, how many minutes will have passed when the minute hand moves from 12 to 4? 12 to 4, how many intervals will come after 12? If you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many minutes? 20 minutes. You can write 20 minutes here. After 12 to 8, how many intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 intervals have passed, 8 fives are 40 minutes have passed. In the same way, you will do C and D part. Question number 6. Answer the following questions. A part. How many hours does the hour hand take to move from 2 to 6? 2 to 6 means how many hours have passed after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or in other words, 6 minus 2. These are hours. That's why we can subtract. So 4 hours. So 4 multiplied by 60 is equal to 240 hours. Now page number 172, C part. How many minutes are shown in shaded and unshaded part of the clock? We have done this, so you will write yourself. Question number 7. What time do the following analog and digital clocks show? Write the answer in words and numbers. A part, time is 1:20 or 20 minutes past 1. In the same way, you will do these all parts. And in I part, this is digital clock. Time is shown quarter past 4 or 15 minutes past 4. In the next one, it is shown 11:55. It means 55 minutes past 11, or how many minutes are left to 12? 5 minutes to 12. In the last one, in the digital clock, time is 17:45. It's 24 hours time. If you will subtract 12 hours from this, then you will 17:45 minus 12 hours, so it becomes 5:45 or quarter to 6. That's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.